Have you ever wanted help getting things organized, but you couldn't find a professional organizer that lives near you? Or do you have a busy or unpredictable schedule that makes it really hard to work side by side with an organizer? Or are you living on a really tight budget right now and hiring a professional organizer may not be exactly within your budget? Well, no worries. I can help you. Hi everyone, it's Pam with Organizer AZ 911, and in this video I'd like to talk to you about virtual organizing. Here's how virtual organizing works. Virtual organizing allows me to organize with anyone, anywhere in the world. We connect electronically, whether it be through telephone calls, texting, FaceTime, emailing, Skype, whatever way we connect electronically. And when we connect electronically, we can connect either weekly or bi-weekly, depending on your schedule. And during those sessions that we connect, we will talk about your organizing goals, what will be needed to achieve those goals, how much time will be needed, your strategies, products that might help. We'll talk about your budget to make sure we know what items that can be purchased to achieve that goal. All of that is handled through our electronic connection. There's 4 huge benefits to organizing virtually. Number 1, it's budget friendly. The cost to organize with me virtually is 40% less than the on-site side-by-side organizing I do with clients. So it saves you money. Number 2, it's the perfect solution for DIY people. If you basically want to do it yourself, but you just need some guidance and coaching along the way, virtual organizing is perfect for you, because that's essentially what I am doing. I am able to coach you for your specific needs, but I don't need to be sitting right next to you to do it. Number 3, it's private. You can get the organizing job done without having anyone set one foot in your house. Number 4, it's schedule friendly. I can't stress this enough. You work on your own time when it is best for you. When we set up our times that we get together, if you are doing it by telephone call or FaceTime or Skype, we can set up those appointments around the typical 9 to 5 schedule. We will get together maybe for 15 minutes or a half an hour, talk out what problem is facing you. I will give you a list of solutions, how to do it at that time. Or here's another thing, if you really don't even have time for the face-to-face kind of electronic connections, you can do it through email and texting me photos or emailing me photos. I look at them, you tell me in your email or text what is bothering you about this area of your home, and I will take a look at those pictures and I will start sending you solutions. So again, with emailing or texting, it's basically whenever you decide to look at the email and text to get the job done. It couldn't be easier. So again, if you really want to get organized and it's just not in your schedule or your budget to have someone side by side with you, try out virtual organizing. Give me a call if you want more information or email me. All the links are found below. Okay, and give virtual organizing a try. Like I said, I can organize with anyone anywhere in the world. Okay, we'll connect up electronically and get you organized. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big old thumbs up. Poke that like button below. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Poke that subscribe button as well and ring the bell so that you know when I'm uploading new videos. And again, don't be afraid. Give me a call, email me if you are interested in virtually organizing with me. I'm Pam with Organizer AZ 911. Thanks for watching.